Hello everybody, so today I will talk about differential equations. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. First we have y equal to e to the power of lambda s. If we do first derivative, you got about lambda multiplied with e to the power of lambda s, and second derivative we got about lambda square multiplied with e to the power of lambda s. So we put them in here and this one in here. Later that we do factorization. So we just have this one left. So we have two solutions. That's about 5 over 2 and 5 over 2. So you got the final answer. C1 is about the constant, and we have e to the power of 5 over 2 s, and we have C2 e to the power of 5 over 2 s multiplied with s in here. So let's go to the next one. We do the same technique. So we put this one in here and we got about lambda square e to the power of lambda s minus 2 lambda e to the power of lambda s minus 75 e to the lambda s. So we do factorization. So we find the solution of this one, and we got about lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 75 equals to number 0 in here, and we have two solutions. And now we got about y equal to C1 e to the power of 1 plus 2 multiplied with the square root of 19s C2 e to the power of 1 minus 2 multiplied with the square root of 19 s. This is the solution of this one. Now we do the same technique for this one. So we have two solutions. So this one, we will go about y equal to c1 e to the power of negative number 1 plus 2i multiplied with s and c2 e to the power of negative number 1 negative 2i multiplied with s. So about this one, we can put about c1 e to the power of negative s multiplied with cosine. We have 2 and we have I, so you got about 2s in here minus I e to the power of negative s sine 2s. Now let's go to C number 2. We have number 2 and with s we got about 2s, and we have this is positive, sorry, this is minus I e to the power of negative s sine 2s. And now we need to combine this one with this one. And C1 with I, C2 minus I, we combine together. This one, we can change about C1 because they are constant. With constant, we can change C number 1, and this one in here, which we change to C number 2, and you got about C1 e to the power of negative s cosine 2s plus C number 2 e to the power of negative s sine 2s. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.